Hi there, students. Rhetorical questions. A rhetorical question. Okay, this is a question that somebody asks to make a point, to create dramatic effect. Yeah, so I think it's best I give you examples. Am I right or am I right? Yeah, you're not supposed to answer a rhetorical question. Yeah? Are you a man or are you a mouse? Are you brave or are you not? No, I'm a man, I'm not a mouse. So the answer is obvious, and this is what a rhetorical question is. Yeah? It's asked in order to make a statement. Yeah? Why do these things always happen to me? That's a rhetorical question. Because I'm me. Because these things happen. Yeah? No answer is expected. Yeah? And it's used to create an effect. Yeah? So, rhetorical questions. Is the Pope a Catholic? Of course he is. So the answer is of course, yes. Can a duck swim? Of course a duck can swim. Yeah? Yeah. So, is the sky blue? Of course the sky is blue. Yeah? Okay, so I'm asking you, I'm saying, of course this is true. Yeah? There is no doubt about it. What are the odds that this is going to happen? The odds, the betting, the percentages. Now, I don't want you to work it out. I'm just saying, how likely is this? Why keep a dog and bark yourself? So why pay somebody to do something and then decide to do it yourself? Who died and left you in charge? Stop being so bossy. Nobody left you in charge. Or even, what's up? You could answer it saying what's happening, saying what's with your life, but very definitely. Okay. What does that have to do with the price of tea in China? Okay, it has nothing to do with the price of tea in China. You're talking about something that is totally irrelevant. Well, what are you waiting for? Nothing. Come on, move it. Get on with it. Don't wait. Act right now. Okay? These are all examples of rhetorical questions to get you to actually think about what you're saying. They use it like emphasis. Yeah? It's just a way of talking. Yeah? Who's she? The cat's mother. Okay, so she is not helping us. Who's she? The cat's mother. Call me by my name. Yeah. Okay, and that's the idea of these. So these are all just questions to make people think about the point that you're making. Yeah. Okay, and this is the point. So rhetorical, talking about speech. So I guess that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. I'd like to hear some of your rhetorical questions.